What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a 1.12 mod patch because it's pretty easy and anyone should be able to do it. So yeah, basically we're going to be writing XML and we're going to put it inside PC Freaks generator, and then basically I'll show you guys how to put inside a patch so you can make your own. Basically you're going to start it off with a menu. So here's your menu, and then you're going to press enter and tab, and you're going to go item. This will be the same start for any menu you start. So then you'll go down again. You'll want another menu. Alright, then you need the title of your mod that you want. So say, like the mod section. So say we want, let's just say, main mods. Alright, so whenever you start something, like, see how we have title here? Whenever you start it, you gotta end it. So you go slash title. Alright, and then item. Oh, hold on. Okay, so this is basically how you'll need these three things to start every single menu you have. So you want to start a new menu, like say you want main mods and fun mods, you'll just put the same thing for your new menu, but you go fun mods instead of main mods right here. Alright, so now it's time to get our first mod in there. So you start off with the item, it's the item, and then you'll go name, the name of the mod. So let's just say super jump, and you'll close the name, and you've got to run the command. So CMD is for command. Just go get the mod you want. You can check out my post about all the CSG codes. I'll update that soon just for this video too. And then you throw that in there. CMD, and then you'll close it. Close the item. So there's your first mod. You'll have super jump right there. And then say you want super jump off, I guess. So let's go item. Give it the name. You can name it whatever you want. So super jump off. Close the name. And start a command. CMD. Then go get the command for super jump off. Just toggle jump. Alright. Close command. And then you've got to close the item. And there's, let's just say there's only two things we want inside our main mods. So then you press enter again, then you press backspace. Oh my god. And then you've got to close the menu. So see how the menu is still open? Everything closes. So the menu is still open, so now you got to close the menu. I recommend using Notepad++ for this because it has these little lines right here that show you. So, alright, so that's how you do. This is your first menu right here. You don't close this menu until the end of your patch. So then, say we want another menu. So, like I said in the beginning, you just go item, and so then you go menu after item, and then you go to title of your new menu, which should say we're going to do a say menu, just so you can like teach you how to put say menu. And then you go slash title, and then you'll start your item. So item, name, say tutorial, slash name. You don't have to put your entire thing that you write in the name of it. So first off, what you want to do, you put say, oh sorry, no space right here. Well, I don't do space. So you put say space, and then so there's different colors. You can find out the colors from. I'll put it on my patch thing too, but there's different colors by going. Okay, I'll do this one and then 1 through 9, I guess, or 0 through 9. So let's say we just want 4, which is blue, and we'll say Vieira's tutorial, and just close the CMD, and then close the item, and then we'll close the menu right here. You can add as many of these as you want. So say you want 14 same menus, you just keep doing this over and over and over, and you just change these two out. Alright, you can close the item. And now since we're done with our two menus right here, it only has 3 mods in it, but still. So when we're done, we'll just press enter. Just press enter, and then we'll have to close the menu. So you see how everything that opens in here, so these all 3 open, and what the fuck, dude? Alright, well that's a fail on my part. Let's see where I'm at. Menu. Item. There. Well, actually, there we go. Oh, actually, I'm still missing a menu on it. Oh. Yep. So let's add another menu, I guess. Alright, there we go. Now it's back to normal, so you see how it closes and everything. Now you just want to copy it all. And you're going to want to go on to the CFG menu generator. Paste it in. And you get a pick right here, stealth, non-stealth. I like stealth, so I'm going to go stealth. Alright, it says you have created. So now you just take his code he gives you, copy it, and now you gotta go open up a patch. So let's go open up a patch. Alright, so I use PC patch converter too because it works pretty good. And puts the same patch in the same place as it makes a new patch, so I kinda like it. Saves me room, so I'm not very organized. Alright, you click Xbox plus. Just wait for it to convert. Alright, it's finished. Now you gotta go open up FF Viewer. Just wait for FF Viewer to open up. Alright, and then you just drag your patch onto FF Viewer. It'll open it. Alright, so here's my old one. To add DVRs, like your name and crap into it, I'll show you how. Alright, and then you just paste your new stuff into it. There's your menu. Alright, there's all our new stuff. And to make DVRs, there's some DVRs. You don't even need this. That's just the end of the patch. You just put it in here. Like set player stun white flash 0. So basically you won't get stunned. Kick host vital, so basically self-explanatory. So that's how you create a patch, and you'll have to save it after. If you guys need any help with this, just PM me, and I'll help you out. Just reopen this patch converter, same patch, and then we'll go to PS3, whatever region you guys want. I'm blessed 30377. Should process it. Actually processing. And here's your own patch right here that you guys made by yourself. If you guys need any help with codes, PM me. I have that whole thread that you guys could. If there's any that's missing, just let me know. I'm about to update it, so there shouldn't be any missing. So, just have a good day, guys. Sorry if I sound gay, by the way.